Hello students, in this video let us discuss dividing a polynomial with a monomial. To understand dividing a polynomial with a monomial, first let us see distribution law. So what is the distribution law? It is distribution of multiplication over addition. It may be addition or subtraction. Subtraction is included under addition here. Distribution of multiplication over addition is distribution law. Distribution law is that a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Let us say, suppose we have division b plus c by a. This can be written as 1 by a into b plus c. By applying distribution law here, we can write it as 1 by a into b plus 1 by a 1 by a into c. This is by distribution law. Now we can write this as b by a plus, here we can write this as c by a. So we have obtained b plus c by a is equal to b by a plus c by a. I'm writing here b plus c by a is equal to b by a plus c by a. Here we have an addition of two terms divided by a single term. When we want to divide an addition of two terms by a single term, we can divide each term by the single term here. B plus C is divided by A here. So we can divide B by A and then add to C by A. Let us apply what we have discussed for dividing a polynomial with a monomial. Let us apply what we have discussed for dividing a polynomial with a monomial. Let us take the first example. Here we have 2a square plus 6a square b minus 4b square whole divided by 2a. 2a is the monomial here. We are dividing this polynomial by monomial 2a. To divide this polynomial by monomial 2a, we have to divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. So here first term is 2a square. 2a square by 2a plus second term is 6a square b. So 6a square b by 2a. Then minus 4b square. So here minus 4b square by 2a. Now let us simplify 2a square by 2a. We can divide 2 by 2. We get 1. If we divide a square by a square means a into a into a by a. We get a here. When we divide 6a square b by 2a, we are getting 3ab. When 6 is divided by 2, we get 3. When a square is divided by a, we get a. We remain with b here. B is remained here. So we get 3ab. When we divide 4b square by 2a, we get 2b square by a. When 4 is divided by 2, we get 2 here. The other things remain the same. So we are obtaining the result here. So we are obtaining the result here as this. Let us take the second example. 4x square y cubed z. I'm writing here again. 4x square y cubed z minus 2x y square z by 2xyz. To divide this polynomial by a monomial, we have to divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. So this becomes 4x square y cubed z by 2xyz minus 2xy square z by 2xyz. By simplifying, we get here 4 by 2 is 2. Here x square, here we have x. So we get x. Here we have y cubed and here we have y. So we get y square. Here we have z and here also we have z. Z by z is 1. So we are getting 2xy square minus, then here 2 by 2 is 1. We need not write 1. X by x is 1. Y square by y is y. Then z by z is 1. We need not write. So here we are getting minus y. So finally we are remained with 2xy square minus y. Now let us solve the third question. Third question is solve the following. In this, the first one is 6x cubed plus 12x square minus 18x by 3x, whole by 3x. Now how do we divide? We have to divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. First term 6x cubed by 3x plus 12x square by 3x minus 18x by 3x. Now what do we obtain? 6 by 3 is 2. X cube by x is x square plus here 12 by 3 is 4. X square by x is x. Then here minus 18 by 3 is 6. X by x is 1. So we are getting 3x square plus 4x minus 6. Second question, 21a power 4 minus 14a square plus 42 by 7a square. To divide a polynomial by a monomial, we have to divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. The first term of the polynomial is 21a power 4. Now divided by 7a square minus second term is 14a square. So 14a square by 7a square plus 42 by 7a square. Now let us simplify each term. 21 by 7 is 3. A power 4 by a square. We get a square. Here it becomes a power 4 minus 2. That is a square. Minus here 14a square by 7a square. 14 by 7 is 2. A square by a square is 1. We need not write it here. Now plus this is 42 by 7a square. 42 by 7 is 6. Here we don't have any variable in the numerator. So this is 6 by a square. Or else we can write 3a square minus 2 plus 6a power minus 2. Third one, 4x square minus 2x plus 12 whole divided by 8x. We have to divide each term by the monomial dividing here. 4x square by 8x minus 2x by 8x plus 12 by 8x. This becomes 4 by 8. We can divide 4 and 8 by 4. When we divide by 4, we get 2 here. So we write 2 here. And here in the variables we have x square by x. X square by x is x. So this is x by 2 minus 2 by 8. And here we have x by x. X by x is 1. 2 by 8. We can divide 2 and 8 by 2. We get 1 by 4 plus here when we divide 12 and 8 by 4, we get 3 by 2x. So we can write in other words x by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 3x power minus 1 by 2. See you in next video.